Hi guys, Captain Mayhew signing in to TNT's Unplanned Bunker, where today we are going to continue our series of slime videos. We have a bunch of glitter that we are going to use today. So, let's get to crafting. I'm going to start off with a whole ounce of just regular glue. Scrape it out. Now I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of water. Give it a real good mixing. And in this mixture, I'm going to add blue food coloring today. I don't know, maybe it'll look like a glittery ocean or a glittery sky. Who knows what I'm going to end up with. So now I'm going to add in my glitter. Get it all out of there. And mix it all up. Try to get that glitter everywhere in there. Now I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of borax and I'm going to add it in. Instantly I see it starting to firm up. Now let's mix it. I'm going to get my hands in there and I'm going to play with it. Mix all that glitter in. Woo! This is a fun little slime. Glitter slime. Alright. Well, there you go. Glitter slime. It works. If you have a recipe that seems to work better than the one that I'm using, please be sure to leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and press the notification button so you know whenever a new video launches. Also, if you have any suggestions or new ideas for a video you'd like to see, leave that in the comments down below as well. Make sure to join us in all of our social media ventures. You can find the links in the description. As always, have a great rest of your day. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Captain Mayhew signing out. Bye!